Well, first graders, it is time to look at our plants in the plant box. They have been in here for 2 weeks, and you made some predictions about what you think they will look like or what you think would happen after they spent some time in this box with most of the light blocked from them. Now, if we open this up and what you thought would happen did not happen, it doesn't mean that you're wrong. It will mean that we learned something. And so here we go. Look at those little lima bean plants. Wow. I think we can make a claim that these lima bean plants have changed. Now, if I asked you to think about some evidence or what we know based on our observations, could you write that in a sentence? What are some details that you see that is proof of change? Then I'm wondering if you can think about why you think that happened. And that would be called reasoning. Okay, I'm gonna pull these out even now really carefully so we can get a better look at our little plants. The last time we saw them, do you remember the seeds? They were still attached to the plant. It looks like this one has fallen down right there. So it's used up the food or the energy. This one, they're still hanging on there. We did see the first set of leaves before, but look at this. There's a long vine growing up, and it looks like here are some little baby leaves coming on there. And then over here, same thing. And then look at that. There's another vine starting to come at the end. Okay. So in Seesaw, you're going to think about evidence. Remember, evidence are details you see, and then think about reasoning. What you think happened, or why you think that happened. All right, go on to the next link and write like a scientist.